In this video, we are going to see how we can reactivate the Facebook profile on your mobile after you have temporarily disabled that, or even you undergo a deletion process and you're still within the required time period to restore your profile. Here's how you can do it to restore it again. First of all, I'm taking an example that I'm using two profiles, and as soon as I disable the first one, it automatically signs you in the other one. So let's log out of this profile also. Click on the three lines at the top left hand corner and we scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on logout. Click on logout again, and then we use the other profile. What we have to do is just simply use the email ID and the password that you used before to log in into that particular profile, and then it will ask you for the two-factor authentication, whatever you have set. In this case, I have set the Google Authenticator app with it. So it's asking to confirm the password or the temporary code. Let's enter that. I'll just continue with it. And that is it. You just simply use your email ID, your password, and the authentication app. You need to confirm that you are back, and that's pretty much it. That is how you can reactivate your Facebook profile after you have deactivated it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.